Dear viewers, today we will discuss classification with principles and examples. This lecture is related to statistics. First of all, we will discuss classification. What is classification? Then we discuss principles and examples. Classification data into distinct groups or classes based on specific features or characteristics is a frequent task in statistics. The following are some ideas and instances regarding categorization in statistics. First, as a supervised learning exercise, classification needs a labeled dataset with predetermined outputs or classes. Second number is different methods including logistic, regression, decision trees, random forest, support vector, machines, and neural networks can be used for classification. Third one is applications for classification include sentiment analysis, image identification, fraud discovery, spam filtering, and medical diagnosis. 4 is in classification. The goal is to build a model that can accurately predict the class of new and seen data based on the patterns and relationships observed in the training data. Fifth one is classification models are evaluated using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix. Example, suppose you are given a dataset of emails and you need to classify them as spam or not spam. The dataset consists of 1000 emails with 500 label as spam and 500 label as not spam. You can use this dataset to train a classification model where the features could be the words used in the mail, the sender's email address, the time the email was sent, etc. Once the model is trained, you can use it to predict the class of new unseen emails. Another example could be in medical diagnosis, where a patient's medical history, lab results, and symptoms can be used as features to classify the patient's condition as either healthy or having a certain disease.